Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, something a bit different. We are trying to rebuild a Galaxy S4 mobile phone. I bought the original one from Aliexpress as a refurbished item. This is the phone. It was working okay for, I don't know, 2-3 days, and then we had a catastrophic failure. It wouldn't switch on. So opened it up, and the issue was, let me just see if I can get my screwdriver on this. I don't know if you can see it here, but we've got a major issue here on the circuit board. A lot of things have got burnt up. Apparently this is a common issue. So what I've done is I've bought another circuit board for it. This is how it's come from AliExpress again. Got no idea if this one is going to be okay, but we'll see. So the plan is I've removed it from the phone. We've got a bit of a magnet here. Let's just take all these screws away from the magnet. It's just to replace the circuit board, and let's see if we can get this phone back up and running. You may be asking why in 2021 I'm bothering with a Galaxy S4. The reason being it has a full-size SIM card in it, and that is what I've got. And at the moment I can't get a full-size SIM card. Let's just open this up. It came super well packaged, as they always seem to do from China. The first thing I want to see is that, you know, we've got the on-off button. We've got another button here which we have on there also. What I've just noticed here is that the camera is not included on the circuit board, so we're going to have to do the camera. I suppose I want to pull it from here really. What is annoying is that it's got all these paper stickers on it. I suppose somebody's going to tell me I shouldn't be doing this with a metal screwdriver. Oh, my goodness gracious me, what a pain this is going to be then. So what do I need to do here? Jesus, it's very fiddly obviously. So what do I do? Put this in here first. Make sure there's nothing. Let me just see if there's nothing trapped underneath it. Oh Christ, it's already stuck. Okay, so the we've got the antenna. It needs to go on top, and these boards need to go on top. And that falls in there. Camera goes into the mold. Okay, so hopefully, just check that these. Why is this not sitting down properly here? Okay, I've got. I think this should be on the outside. Okay. Okay, now that sits down flat, doesn't it? Yeah, ish. So we'll put these back on. Very fiddly. I mean, these were never meant to be removed on the regular. Okay, there's a bit of a click with them. Okay. Okay, that feels good. This top one, I don't know what that is. I assume that's some sort of antenna. We'll put the this goes in here. Do you know what I'm doing wrong, guys? I'm putting these in too soon, I think. So this is where the screws go. They go onto the case and hold it in. I think what I'm going to do, guys, I'm going to pause it there, and I'm just going to put this to charge, and just to see if anything gets hot in it. So that's what I'm going to do, and then assuming everything's okay, I'll come back and finish reassembling it. So this is what it's doing at the moment. Let me just switch this off. We can see we've got something. So I think what I'm going to do is just going to leave it like this until there's some juice in the battery, because the battery is completely flat, and we'll see what happens. I'm charging it from a USB port, so there's no crazy amperage going through it, and I assume when there's a little bit of juice in the battery it will come back to life. From this angle, guys, you can see that it's gone green now, the battery. So, you know, hopefully it's taking some charge. Again, we're just going to leave it and see where it takes us. Okay guys, so I've put it on charge for a while and this battery seems to have a little bit of juice in it now, so I'll put it back together. I mean, I don't feel anything is hot. Everything seems alright. I suppose what I could do is go on the underside, but what am I going to do? The main thing is the battery is okay. Seems to be, it's not causing any malfunction, touch wood. So if it does have a problem, I'll just buy a new phone, I think. But for now, I think I've done as much as I can. Basically, I just wanted to check the board works and that it will charge, and it seems to be doing both. The board seems to work and the battery seems to be charging, so I'm just going to put it back together, I think. I need to put the buttons in is what I need to do. Yeah, put in here. We've got little tabs, I don't know if you can see that in the camera, that the plastic on the buttons goes behind. And then we've got one more button here. Why not put the battery in, and then we'll just try and switch it on before we put the screws in, you know. I'm not sure how you switch it on. Is it this button? Maybe if I hold it in. I suppose it is possible that there's still not enough juice, but no, it's on. Rock and roll. So we'll just see if it boots up, and if it boots up, I'll put it all back together. I've got no idea who that is. That's the first time I see it actually. But it says 28 on the battery, so I assume that must be 28%. I suppose this comes from the board that I've just put in at this photo. Battery low. Just put OK. So it's gone down to 15 already. Okay, so I'll just put it back together. I mean, there's not a lot more I can do, like I said. Let's start putting the screws in. I put the SIM card in it. Is it still on? Yeah. Okay, so what should I do now? Switch it off? I think I'll switch it off. I'm going to put the SIM card in it. Well, actually, you know what? I'm not going to do that. I'm going to charge it up fully just to check everything is okay. And then I'm going to put the SIM card in it because I don't want to jeopardize the SIM card. So that's it for now. So I've had the phone going now for, I don't know, this is the first 24 hours. Everything seems fine with it. So I just wanted to show you what the menus are like and how it compares to the original phone. The menus are different in it and the icons are different. So we've got this kind of setup here, which was not on the phone that I had originally. You've got your camera, you've got your settings, but then you've got these Chinese icons, which I don't know what they are. These are the sort of basic apps that are in it, but these are the Chinese ones, which I've got no idea what they are. So that's going to come in it. I suppose it's designed for the Chinese market, the board. But you know, it does the job. It gets the phone back up and running anyway. So far so good. And like I said, with regards to precautions, I'm not going to use the charger that was supplied for the phone. I'll just use a low amperage charger. I connect it with the USB cable to the computer. I don't want to overpower the battery or overpower the board, which seems like is what happened earlier previously. I'll do another video comparing the camera on this versus a Realme 6S, which is, you know, a current budget smartphone, just to see where the tech has gone. Are the cameras better or worse, basically? So if you want to see that video, the camera comparison, link in the video description. But that's it for now, guys. I just wanted to show, you know, how to change the board in the Samsung S2 if you've got a problem with yours. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you again next time.